Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
New Delhi, the Institute of Banking Personnel has begun the IBPS Clerk Registration 2023 today, 1st July. Candidates who want to apply for the IBPS Clerk Recruitment 2023 can visit the official website at IBPS to fill out and submit their online application forms. Candidates can check details like eligibility criteria and number of vacancies among other details in the article below. The last date to apply for the IBPS Recruitment 2023 for clerical cadre posts is 21st July 2023. Those who are interested are suggested to not wait until the last days to apply. Instead, they should apply at the earliest in order to avoid any last-moment problems like the website crashing. Applicants can follow the step-by-step guide shared below to apply online for IBPS Clerk Recruitment 2023. A direct link for the same is also provided below for candidates' reference. How to register for IBPS Clerk Recruitment 2023? Step 1. Go to the official website at IBPS. In Step 2, click here to apply online for CRP Clerk 13 Recruitment on the home page. Step 3. Now click here for new registration. Step 4. Then fill in the online application form and upload all the documents as asked. Step 5. Pay online application fees, verify details, and submit the form. Step 6. Download the confirmation page and get its hard copy for further use. Direct link. Register here. This recruitment drive aims at filling up a total of 6,030 vacancies for the posts of clerks in various banks across the country. IBPS Clerk Recruitment 2023. Eligibility criteria. Age limit. The applicant must have attained the age of 20 years and the maximum age should be 28 years. Educational qualification. Candidates should possess a degree in any program from a university recognized by the Indian government or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by the central government. The candidates should have a valid mark sheet degree certificate of graduation on the day they apply, and it should mention the percentage of marks obtained. IBPS Clerk Recruitment 2023 Schedule Event Date Online Registration and Application Edit 1st July to 21st July 2023 Payment of Application Fee 1st July to 21st July 2023 Download of Call Letters for Pre-Exam Training August 2023 Conduct of Pre-Exam Training August 2023 Download of Call Letters for Online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.